Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I happen to have in my presence the Assistant Minister from Sabah, Joniston. Good afternoon, Joniston.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
Fine.
Good.
Good.
Joniston, lots COVID, lots of destinations around the world were talking about we want to build back better. We need to make sure our residents, our communities benefit from tourism. Does Sabah do that?
Sabah, we are going really strong on community-based tourism. We want tourism to benefit all segments of the community. It's not just those in the urban area, because in the urban areas are where the resorts are, the 6-star, 5-star hotels are, but in the rural areas is where the jewel of tourism is. It's where the unspoiled nature is. It's where all the diverse communities lives. We have beautiful rivers, you name it. You want to talk about flora and fauna, you have it. But what we are trying to focus now is to see how the rural communities can benefit from tourism. And we have embarked on a big scale, aggressively, to promote back to nature kind of tourism. And we believe that is the trend now. Based on feedbacks that we receive, we get, travelers would like to experience life in the countryside, life in the rural areas. You know, we have this term, what we call forest bathing, lung cleansing. Where else to go than in the rural areas? And we have all this in Sabah. And today, we launched the Global Kinabalu Global Jopa. This involves a massive area covering something like 4,700 square kilometers with some 290,000 villages. You know, they come from different kind of ethnics. In Sabah, it's also about the people. You know, we have something like 40 ethnic groups with their own culture, with their own tradition. And this is what we want to showcase to the world. You know, not just in terms of nature, but also our culture and traditions.
Sure.
The people themselves. And through tourism, community-based tourism, it has greatly benefited the rural community. But it's not just about making money. It's not just about a new source of income for the rural folks. But it also promotes understanding and the need to work together as a community. It has enhanced the spirit of cooperation among villages.
Sure.
And thirdly, the most important thing, I always emphasize this, it has helped through community-based tourism, it has helped create awareness about the need to protect the environment. If you don't protect your environment, if you simply cut trees, you know, visitors will not come. They want to see how the community really understand the need to conserve, to protect their environment. And this is what have come out from our effort to promote community-based tourism. So that's the experience you can get. Go to the rural areas, experience just not nature, enjoy not just nature, but also experience our local culture and tradition.
Marvellous. Well, if you want to live like a local, come to Sabah. If you want to see an environment that's being protected, come to Sabah. If you want to see a rural communities being benefited, come to Sabah.
Yes. But you know, our attraction, we always say this, from mountain high to ocean deep. We are known for our iconic Mount Kinabalu, which is the highest peak in Southeast Asia. And we have some of the best dive spots in the world. And among them is Pulau Sipadan dive spot, which is ranked among the top 10 in the world. So we basically have everything, beautiful beaches, islands, you name it.
Marvellous. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.